it's Miss Cheryl from Sacred Heart Montessori, and we are ready to do a math activity today. Now, the things you'll want to have are your tally sticks, and if you made a set of bead bars, you can get those, and then some other objects, either the color tiles or it could be blocks or barrettes, just something, and have at least 10 of them. So if you need to go get those things, you can pause the video and then come back when you're ready. We're ready? We're going to start with singing Yellow is the Sun. And today I'm going to use my bead bars when we sing it. So I'm going to let you see here on my table. Okay. And I want you to sing with me. And if you have something, either bead bars or you can do it with tally sticks, we're going to make each quantity as we sing it. Yellow is the sun. This is only one. Why is the sky so blue? Let me show you two. Salty is the sea. One more and it's three. Hear the thunder roar. Here's the mighty four. Ducks will swim and dive. My whole head makes five. We know it's five because it has a bead in the middle. All right, now we need two hands. And you can also do this on your fingers if you prefer. Yellow is the sun. 6 is 5 and 1. Now 7. Why is the sky so blue? 7 is 5 and 2. 8. Salty is the sea. 8 is 5 and 3. Hear the thunder roar. 9. 9 is 5 and 4. And 10. Ducks will swim and dive. 10 is 5 and 5. All right. You know what? Let's do it one time with tally sticks all together if you haven't done your tally sticks yet. Yellow is the sun. This is only one. Why is the sky so blue? Let me show you two. Salty is the sea. One more and it's three. Hear the thunder roar. Here's the mighty four. Now 5 is special. Ducks will swim and dive. My whole head makes 5. So we have 4 up tall and 5 goes across. And now we're going to start a new set for 6. Yellow is the sun. 6 is 5 and 1. Why is the sky so blue? 7 is 5 and 2. 8. Salty is the sea. 8 is 5 and 3. 9. Hear the thunder roar. 9 is 5 and 4. 10. Ducks will swim and dive. 10 is 5 and 5. All right, did you make 10? All right, we know it's 10 because 10 is 5 and 5. Now, can you see 10 in my bead bars? Which one's 10? 10 is the longest one in our set. This 10? 10 is 5 and 5. 10. What if we want to make it 9? That's one less. 9 is 5 and 4. Can we turn this into 9? Here's 5. Is that 5 and 4? Yes, we made 9. Let's see if we can find 9 with our bead bars. Let's see. Do you know which one? Oh, that's too close. Which one is 9? 9 is 5 and 4. Here, 5 and 4. There's no middle over here, just 2 and 2. 9. Did you find your 9 bar? All right. Now, next we're going to make 8. But instead of just taking one away, I want you to pick them all up. We know that 8 is 5 and 3. I'm going to show you my 8 bar. Here's 8. What is it? 8. 8 is 5 and 3. Now, if we wanted to, we could count it just to see if we get the same number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But if you know how to subitize and can see that it's 5 and 3, then you really understand what 8 is, and we don't even have to count. Okay, so we're going to make 8 with our tally stick. So we need to do 5 and 3. There's 3, but we need 5 and 3. 4 tall, where does number 5 go? Across. 8 is 5 and 3. Did I make 8? Yes, that's 8. All right, you make 8. So it looks like this, 5 and 3. All right, now I'm going to make a number and see if you can tell me what it is. So here's 5 and 3. What's 5 and 3? 8. Did you tell it? Okay, now close your eyes. I'm going to make a different number. Open. What is it? 5 and 5 is 10. Did you guess 10? That's 10. Close your eyes. Now what is it? 5 and 4 is 9. Did you say 9? It's 9. Close your eyes. How many is it? 8. 8 is 5 and 3. Close your eyes. How many? 9. 9 is 5 and 4. Close your eyes. How many? What's 5 and 5? 10. All right, now I'm going to show you a bead bar and see if you can tell me how many it is. What is it? Did you say 8? 8 is 5 and 3. Okay, what about this one? I see 5 and 5. 10. 10 is 5 and 5. What is it? And 4. 9. Okay. Now, we can also make our numbers with objects. I'm going to put this back up here and let you see on my whiteboard here. Bring it up nice and close. Okay, so if I want to make, I'm going to make a number for you and see if you can tell me what it is. Maybe we'll start with the ones that we were practicing before. Five, because we have a 4 square with one more. Do you remember 5 and 2? 7 is 5 and 2. Okay, now, I don't have any more green ones. I'm going to use these over here. What's that? What's up here? 5. What did I make? 5 and 3. What is it? 8 is 5 and 3. Look, I'm doing it a different way. That's still 5. If I put it in 2 rows like that. Yeah, it's still 5. What if I arrange it? Do it like that. Still 5. There's lots of ways to make 5. That's a new one. It's still 5. I'll do it like this. 5 and 3. How many is it? 8. Now what if I want to make it 9? 9 is 5 and 4. So I need another one. I'll make a little 4 square there. What is that? 9. 9 is 5 and 4. What if I want to make it 10? 10 is 5 and 5. So I need to add one more. I have 2 5s. 10 is 5 and 5. All right. Now with your objects, see if you can make 10. Make 5 and 5. You can do it like this or in any shape you want. Did you make 10? All right, what if we want to make 9? 9 is 5 and 4, so we'll take one out. Is that 9? Is that 5 and 4? Yes, there's 9. What about 8? Let's make it into 8. 8 is 5 and 3. Make a little triangle there. 8 is 5 and 3. There's 8. All right, now I'm going to flip it around and we're going to see what these numbers look like on the 10 frame. Do you remember our 10 frame? And the 10 frame is so nice because it makes it really easy, just like the bead bars, to see right away how many it is. So if we're going to make 8, 8 is 5 and 3. So we're going to fill up the first row to make 5. And then how many do we need down here? 3. 8 is 5 and 3. And I'm using all the same color. I could use a different color if I wanted to. I could put another color on this bottom row, but I don't have to because the rows tell me how many it is. 8 is 5 and 3. Okay, what if I want to make it 9? 9 is 5 and 4. Oh, wow, there's only one spot left when I make 9. 9 is 5 and 4. What happens if I put one here? I filled my 10 frame, so that means I have 10. All right, so you get to practice going all the way to 10 on a 10 frame in IXL, and it's going to let you just click to put the dots in. So let me show that to you now. So we'll take a look here at IXL. Can you see it? Okay, so it'll have some little numbers, but then it will let us do some big numbers too.
Put one dot on the frame.
One dot. We can do one. Okay, I want a big number.
Put 5 dots on the frame.
5 dots. Oh, 5 we know is going to fill that first row. We'll go all the way up. There's 3, 4, 5. Use the green button. It's starting me with all these little numbers. So click here. 1, 2, 3 dots. All right, I'm ready for a bigger number. Ooh, okay, let's see what it says now.
Put 8 dots on the frame.
8. That's what we were just practicing. 8 is 5 and 3. Ooh. And now look, we have 2 options here. I could do 1 dot at a time all the way up to 8. That'll take a while to click 8 times, but look, this one is 5, so I can do the whole row at a time. Whew, that was fun. Now I have 10. That's too many, right? I only need 8. Okay, so there's 5. 8 is 5. How many?
Put 8 dots on
If you
the
forget,
frame.
you can listen again. 8. So 8 is 5 and 3. Did I make 8? Okay, let's see what's next.
Put 6 hearts on the frame.
6 hearts. Okay, 6 is 5 and 1. So I get to do the 5 button again. 6 is 5 and 1. Does that look like 6 to you? Okay, now how many?
Put 9 dots on the frame.
9. Ooh, that's a big number. 9 is 5 and 4. I'm going to do my 5 and 4. Yep, 9 only has one empty square there. Let's check it. Okay.
Put 10 shapes on the frame.
10. Ooh, 10 is fun. 10 is 5 and 5. Did I fill the 10 frame? All right. See if it gets any more challenging. So you can keep going and see if how many of these numbers you can get.
Put 7 dots on the frame.
7. 7 is 5 and 2. So I'll go, here's my 5 button. 5 and then 1, 2, 7. Okay, and look, you can see I have all these ribbons here. When you've worked a long time and you've been practicing, then you get all these ribbons here that show you're really understanding how to put numbers on the 10 frame. And I'm almost to 100. If I get to 100, it will tell me that I've finished it. So let's see if we can get
Put
there.
6 hearts on the frame.
6. 6 is 5 and 1. Okay.
Put 8 shapes on the frame.
8. 8 is 5 and 3. And if you forget, you can always sing the song. You can sing, yellow is the sun, 6 is 5 and 1. Why is the sky so blue? 7 is 5 and 2. Salty is the sea. 8. 8 is 5 and 3. Oh, 5 and 3. That's the one we want for 8. 8 is 5 and 1, 3. Okay. I'm almost done.
Put 9 triangles on the frame.
9. And remember, oops, if I got too many, I can just take away whatever I need to. Is that 9? 9 is 5 and 4. One little empty one. Okay. And
put 10 dots on the frame.
10's my favorite. 10 is 5 and 5. We did it! All right, so when you have gotten all the way to 100 and you really understand, you get a gold medal. And that just means your brain is getting really strong. All right, so you get to practice making these quantities, and then you can do the 10 frame. And if you want to send me any pictures of the quantities that you made with your tally sticks or objects, Miss Ale and I would love to see your work. And then we'll see what you do on IXL and how that goes.